that Cebu is our 63rd branch.
Dekaan na. Hi guys, Sekinik here. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to reveal, hindi siya reveal. Welcome Merzci Pasalubong here in Cebu. Welcome! So, by the way guys, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, okay? Para bibo. I'm super happy to tell you guys that here in Cebu, Merzci Bacolod Pasalubong has a branch already here, and it is located at Colon. And then I'm super excited because they're on their 63rd branch, if I'm correct, 60 plus branch. So, all over the Philippines na siya, bongga. And you know what guys, ang favorite ko sa Merzci is yung kanilang Napoleones. And I'm super excited. Congratulations Merzci for your newest branch here in Cebu. And since nagpunta ako sa kanilang opening ng Merzci, so, meron akong i-unbox sa inyo na. Diyos ko, pasalubong. Ang dami guys. 2 box to guys eh. 2 box. Fully loaded. Meron pa pala. Ito pa pala. Merong Merzci Napoleones. Hindi naman. And, meron pang box. Pakita ko lang sa picture kasi. Merong Napoleones. Oh my God. This is my favorite. Napoleones. Diyos ko, mukbang ba to guys? Hindi naman siya mukbang, no? Ang laki na slice nila. Yung in-offer kasi kanina, meron silang binigay. Maliit siya. Maganda to pag together with coffee. Meron silang games kanina. Yung, luckily, yung inopan ko, merong sticker. So, nanalo ko na ito, lamp ata to. Thank you, Merzci! We have here, chalan! Banana chips! Have you tried, guys, Napoleones? Super sarap. I haven't tried their Merzci special banana chips. And I'm super excited to try this one. Sensya na ang haggard ko. Galing kasi ako ng event, guys. And then, siya? Banana chips pa rin! 3 banana chips, and I'm super excited to show to you kung ano yung nasa big box. I will get a scissor, okay? Wow! Ang dami namang goodies nito, guys! Tingnan nyo! Oh my God! Thank you, Merzci! I have here toasted mamon. Oh, laisyo! I have here butterscotch! Butterscotch, toasted mamon. I have here ugoy. What is ugoy? I have here caramel tarts. Oh my God. Hello, mga fave. This is super fave. Pita crackers. Laisyo. Tingnan nyo. Pita. Hi, pita crackers. Oh my God. Pulseras. What's this? Pulseras. Scotch. This is my favorite paired with coffee. Oh my. This is one of their specialty. Original piyaya. Tingnan nyo. Ube piyaya. Dami naman ito. Thank you so much, Merzci. Thank you so much, Merzci, for having a branch here in Cebu. Super happy. Welcome to Cebu. Kaunsa ko day. Gutom man day. Tapusin ko muna tong pagkain ko, guys. And, by the way, guys, thank you so much for watching. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And during the event, guys, I'm super happy. Thank you so much, Arbong. And thank you so much for all my friends who was there. Nakalami, anyway. Bye-bye for now. Thank you so much for watching. And see you soon in the next video. Excited for my Halloween series. And hope you're going to check my Halloween series because I'm uploading a lot of exciting videos for this coming Halloween season. So stay tuned and see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. Sarang hair.